Hi, this is Lord for More Studios, जहाँ पे I discuss my favorite show, TV or video game with my favorite people, my siblings. Hello guys, how are you?
I
You're good.
fine enough. Yeah,
कैसे
how
हैं सारे? So yeah, this time around we have a different guest on our podcast because Rabia was kind of busy, but Zora has kindly joined us, and she's a very big fan of Stranger Things. So who
Hi.
better to have on the podcast than the one and only Zohra, the multi-talented, amazing queen. How are you?
Hey,
How
I'm
is
glad you
everybody?
joined us.
So I really enjoyed Stranger Things, yaar. I think बहुत अच्छा
What?
show था.
I
What a
am
great wrap
so
up.
sad.
So
9 years. I started. Ahmed recommended that show to
Hmm.
me in 2016, and then it was a right.
I
Thank you.
always recommend the best shows, guys.
Always,
Yeah.
always. I agree.
नहीं हाँ I mean तुम लोग तो 2015 से follow कर रहे हो. I started following like 5 years ago. I
Yes,
caught up
I
with all
think you
the
started
older
in
seasons.
2021. 2021.
2021? सही
Yeah,
ठीक. Yeah, I
yeah.
mean and I really enjoyed it and I
I
got
already
hooked.
started
It was
it.
good. वैसे तो when I saw the show, the first thing that came into my mind was how like everything was so nicely wrapped up. कि हर चीज़ को बहुत अच्छा closure मिला था कि जितने भी loose ends थे, they were all tied up very nicely. So that's the thing that I felt when I first watched the finale. I think it was a quite satisfactory finale, especially for the fans who
It
had been
was.
following the show for the like the last 10 years. What do you guys think? I mean, you guys are
It
the ones who had been
was.
following it for 10
I
years.
feel like the best. Of course, हम इस पे सारी डिटेल में जाएंगे. But मुझे personally finale बहुत अच्छा लगा है. इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा wind up किया है. It was high time कि ये show end कर देते. They could have easily dragged it to 6 and 7 seasons. So Duffer Brothers, I think they are really good at it. उन्होंने सोचा हुआ था कि बस यहाँ पे हमने इसको wrap up करना है. देखा जाए तो
Yeah.
6, 7, 8 season भी जा सकते थे इसके जितना इनके पास content है, right? I mean, and they have a
Right.
lot of scripts. So yeah, I mean, for me,
अच्छा
it was
I didn't know
बहुत
that.
बहुत अच्छा क्लोजर है. हाँ, we'll talk about this. I know what the plan is. इन्होंने पूरा आगे इसमें से इसको मिल्क तो करना है ना इन्होंने कैंपेन को.
Yeah,
So yeah, I think it was a good finale. For me personally, मुझे तो हाँ, of course there are so many loopholes and plot holes जिसमें हम बात करेंगे, but yeah, I am quite satisfied with the finale. I mean,
Okay.
yeah,
For
I mean
me,
I am satisfied.
okay. For me, anything which is straight, anything which is to the point, anything जहाँ आपको उतना ब्रेन नहीं लगाना पड़ता या जहाँ आपको इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ता, मुझे तो वो फिनाले बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है, सिंपल फाइट हुई. Exactly. 11 जो है 11 came as a hero, 11 walked out as a hero. तो मुझे तो ये
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आया. Plus 11 kind of knew that they'll be better off without me. उनकी लाइफ जो है मैं ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करूंगी. आई थिंक बहुत गुडी हो जाता अगर 11 भी सरवाइव कर जाती या 11 भी उनके साथ रह रही होती. वही
हाँ थोड़ी सी बिटर स्वीट रखनी थी ना उन्होंने obviously.
So
अब
it
हर
was
चीज तो ना
bittersweet,
yeah.
but I never thought that I would be hooking up so much after Harry Potter. I think Harry Potter was once in a lifetime craze, but Stranger Things, thank you, hats off to the team.
Yeah, I mean for you guys.
Yeah,
I mean for you guys. I mean because I'm a diehard fan of GOAT as well, Game of Thrones, and
Oh yeah,
इसका तो खैर it was a
Yeah.
sheer disappointment, but
Thank
yeah,
God
I mean,
they didn't end up as goat. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean-
I think it was like directed very well because the cast members were saying that it took like 1 year to film. With anybody else, it would take like 4 months. Like the Duffer Brothers are.
हाँ usually that's the time, but 1 year wow they must have been उसमें reshoots भी बहुत ज्यादा हुए होंगे. Like you would go back into the editing room, see this didn't turn out well, then you have to go
I
back
think
reshoot. I mean for a show like this and movies like this I bet they have to go through so many reshoots and they have
Yeah.
to like process
But-
काफी long
yeah,
होता है ऐसे shows
And I
Uh,
think I agree with Emma. I
हाँ.
agree with Emma that this was the high time to end the season. You know, kids
Yes.
are growing up, cast इतनी बड़ी हो गई है. You
Yes.
can't always, show them in the high school. वो और भी funny लगता
Yeah,
है. तो मुझे लगा
exactly.
कि ये अच्छा टाइम था रैप अप करने का. इवन उनके जो एक्टर्स थे फेन वोल्फर्ड उसने भी कहा कि वी आर डन. Like
Yeah,
we are
exactly.
cast
Yeah,
is
देखो,
done.
exactly. So they
स्पिन
were
ऑफ
done.
होएंगे, we'll be waiting for the spin offs. इनके पास बहुत कंटेंट है. Like it's how
I mean yeah there is a spin-off they're working on. Is this true? Like Nancy Wheeler पे जो वो spin-off बना रहे हैं.
Yeah, they want to, but अभी nothing is final. अभी तो बहुत चीजें हैं. I
okay.
mean, नैन्सी का निकालना है इन्होंने. अभी ये स्टीवन डस्टिन का सोच रही है उसके रेक्टर पे कुछ बनाया जाए, but nothing is final right now. But one thing that is final, that is true. Duffer Brothers they want to make a film. अब I don't
They
know वो
do
Stranger Things पे बनाना चाह रहे हैं, but वो कोई और so now वो कह रहे थे now we have a lot of time. So Stranger Things was taking up a lot of time. Now that I mean, I would love to watch anything
Yeah.
future में जो भी Duffer Brothers निकालते हैं. One thing is for sure, जब इतनी सक्सेसफुल शोज चले आते हैं उनके प्रीक्वल जरूर आते हैं. सो प्रीक्वल तो
हाँ.
आ ही आ रहा है.
मुझे भी लग रहा है
That's
3-4 years में I do see a prequel.
और क्योंकि
Four.
मुझे इसलिए लग रहा था क्योंकि जब मैं फिनाले देख रहा था ना जो लास्ट सीजन था उसमें उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी चीजें इंट्रोड्यूस कराई हैं जो कि उन्होंने जान के कराई हैं. So that they should have something जिसको पे वो मूवी बना सके. For an instance, I think we are way past this. सब लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, so there will be, I mean, but still
No
spoilers ahead.
spoilers.
Yeah, I mean, but still जिस तरीके से उन्होंने वो जो विक्टर क्रील का दिखाया है, the way he found that stone, right?
Oh, that was amazing.
Exactly.
So वो वहाँ क्या कर रहा था टनल में? Who was that scientist,
Yeah,
right?
who was
So
the
big
scientist?
question marks, right? What were they doing?
Why
ठीक है, वो
was he in
स्टोन
the
कहाँ से
cave?
आया? I'm pretty sure उस पे खैर बहुत थ्योरीज है, मेरी अपनी भी है, but I'm pretty sure कि इस चीज पे ये प्रीक्वल आ रहा है इसका for
I
sure. और इन्होंने इसको अभी मिल्क करना है. Stranger Things को बहुत ज्यादा मिल्क करेंगे ये क्योंकि ये चल गया है, फैन बेस भी है. So I'm pretty sure prequel is coming for sure.
नहीं, fan base से तो I'm really surprised. Even Joe Keery's song is on the top, and it's all
Yeah.
because of the fan base that
Joe
they have.
Keery's,
Global.
I love
एक fandom
globally
वैसे.
now.
फिन का भी
Oh,
फिन
it's
फिन का
already
भी
good
हाँ
song.
चार्ट्स पे जा रहा है.
So basically, Stranger Things is a young adult story full of 80s nostalgia. Basically, 5 friends होते हैं. I mean, Max later on add होती है, and one of the friends goes missing, which is who is Will. And later they find out that he was in upside down, like a different reality. They happen to rescue him, and over the course of the years, they face so many different nemesis from the upside down, from the other world. And by facing these
They also
nemesis in like 3-4 years, they get to know so much about upside down, and all that knowledge like help them beat the Mind Flayer and Vecna. So I think we can get into proper discussion now. I think we can divide the segment into like 4 segments: what we liked, what we didn't like, what we would have loved to see, and final thoughts. इनमें कर
Yeah.
देते हैं. So starting off with what
We
what
like.
we liked. Who would like to go first?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
yeah,
I really loved the episode. In fact, I was so sad that I didn't have to wait for any other season, but high time to end it up. I think the 2 main characters that I fell in love with was Holly. Holly was amazing. I think जो Holly और Max के episodes थे, जिसमें escape from Camazotz, क्योंकि मैंने Wrinkle in Time भी पढ़ी हुई है, by the way. Yeah.
Oh,
See,
अच्छा,
Oh
अच्छा.
really? Oh nice, huh?
an amazing book. Yes, so I kind of knew the background of Camazotz, से वो कैसे escape करवाती है अपने dad को.
Nice. मुझे इतना reference नहीं पता था.
Yeah.
मैंने
तो-
पढ़ा था इस पे बेटा. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे भी इस लेवल का नहीं पता जिस लेवल का फातिमा को पता है.
या तो हॉली का जो हॉली और जो मैक्स के सीन्स थे, वो हॉली और नेल फिशर इतनी पावरफुल एक्ट्रेस थी कि वो ओवरशैडो कर रही थी सेडी सिंह को इन
Yeah.
सो मेनी सीन्स.
I mean, I would agree.
Yeah, I loved her acting, I loved her pronunciation, I loved her पूरा getup. Alice in the Wonderland से related था. उसके बाद she was an adventurous, एक उसकी explorer side भी थी. जो आजकल के बच्चों का शौक है, they're always up to exploring. तो मुझे तो वो उसका character बहुत अच्छा लगा. So anything that is set up in 80s, I love it. And क्योंकि 80s का era was just so pure love, pure intent, pure nostalgia. तो मुझे तो वो era वैसे ही बहुत पसंद है. Any movie, any series which is set up in 80s, I love it. उसके अलावा जो Miss Henry Creel, Mr. Whatsit, Vecna, Jamie,
Yeah,
number 1
was
Jamie.
nice.
I have been watching Jamie since he was a villain in Edward Cullen वाली
Oh.
Twilight में, Caius. I used to love him. तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो after all these years.
Also in Harry
Oh,
Potter.
by the way, he played young Grindelwald in Harry
Grindelwald
Potter.
का. Yeah,
Grindelwald?
He was the young Grindelwald. एक ही सीन था खिड़की में से
Young
छलांग लगा रहा होता है.
But
हाँ,
he
he
was
got
never
one
in
scene
the
only.
Eldemort.
movie that
Yeah,
he
yeah,
was
with
once your
Eldemort.
favorite. He was once your favorite villain in one of your favorite franchise, Twilight, और उसके बाद वो दोबारा आपका favorite villain जो है वो
हाँ.
act कर रहा है. I loved these 2 characters. It was the best thing for me. Okay, moving on to Emma. Okay.
Yeah, I think what I loved about this show is that they gave a proper explanation of the Upside Down, its origin, its जो भी उसका सारा scene था उन्होंने पूरा explain किया, right, and why it exists. So that was the thing I wanted. मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज देखनी थी कि यार what is this Upside Down? All I wanted from Duffer Brothers was to explain ये है क्या dimension जो इन्होंने बनाई हुई है. And the
Exactly.
way
Like
या जो डायमेंशन उन्होंने वो वर्म होल वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है, बिकॉज प्रॉपर ट्रू साई-फाई को इसने फुलफिल किया है। वर्म होल जब इंट्रोड्यूस करा दिया, नाउ इट्स अ प्रॉपर साई-फाई सीजन आप कह सकते हो उसको, राइट? क्योंकि वर्म होल आ गया, जब वर्म होल आ गया तो नाउ इट्स अ ट्रू साई-फाई सीजन, राइट? सो आई लव्ड इट जिस तरीके से उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया, जो वर्म होल उन्होंने दिखाया, the way it's connecting the two dimensions, right? Abyss and then the unka the
Dimension.
earth, and then in between there's a wormhole, wo upside down है. So it was amazing. I think kudos to Duffer Brothers. So yeah, I loved it. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं मुझे बहुत पसंद आई हैं। वेक्ना का बहुत मज़े का सीन था, जिस तरीके से वो स्ट्रेटेजिक विलन के तौर पे आया है। आई लव्ड इट। एंड देन द फाइट सीक्वेंस, इट वाज रियली गुड। मुझे मज़ा आया, मैंने पूरी फाइट्स एंजॉय की हैं। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सम थिंग्स तो नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट में डिस्कस करूंगा,
वही
बट या
बहुत है, बहुत
ओवरऑल yeah, I think I loved it. I think I love the closure जो उन्होंने दिया है, 11 का क्लोजर, होपर का, मैक्स का, जो जिस तरीके से उन्होंने क्लोज करना था सीजन, बहुत अच्छा क्लोज किया है। इमोशनली भी बहुत अच्छे क्लोजर दिए हैं। So yeah, overall, but the
It's
best thing
very
was explaining what is the upside down, and I loved it.
Okay,
No, I
आखिर
mean, I think if I have to personally say, then it's the character orientation. जो है, I think Duffer Brothers are really good at writing it. जो character orientation है, like there are so many different characters और सारों की अपनी अपनी personality है, और मैंने हमेशा से different group में different characters का dynamic बहुत enjoy किया है. I mean, I think that is
Totally.
one thing about Stranger Things that always shined in the show, and it's something that Duffer Brothers were really good at portraying. इसके अलावा I think जो over the years सारों की growth थी, I think that was really amazing. I think with time you see them growing emotionally and leadership wise and everything. And especially जो I think stand out कर रही थी growth, I think वो Dustin की थी, because I feel like with a sense of maturity and emotional depth and leadership, you also see कि उसने he also kept his humor with him too. So yeah, जो overall
didn't
growth थी
change.
characters की,
You
उनकी
die, I
leadership
die.
और
I die,
emotional
you
depth,
die.
वो over the years देखने का काफी मजा
That is
आया।
so true.
And I also like Joyce and Hopper and Lucas and Max, they got a really very very nice, cute, hopeful ending in the end.
Finally.
I'm glad.
And
I'm glad as well.
they got their Enzo's date.
हाँ,
I-
एंजो की डेट उनकी फाइनली हो गई थी।
I kept waiting. When will they meet at Enzo? When will they meet at
Yeah.
Enzo? And they finally met
It
at
was
Enzo.
really
Yeah,
sweet.
and yes, Holly, exactly. I would also like to mention Holly Tours की जो सारी Alice in the Wonderland की vibe जो वो लेकर आई थी पूरी show में, I was really digging it up. और especially I think if you have seen, we all have seen Alice in the Wonderland cartoons. I don't know if you guys remember, उसमें वो एक scene आता है जिसमें एक walrus का character आता है who was having a meal with like baby oysters, and then he ends
Yeah,
up
that
eating
was
those
the
baby
scariest
oysters.
scene. I can't
और वो
forget
baby
that.
oysters भी उसी तरह walrus के सामने टेबल पे बैठे होते हैं जिस तरह Henry was sitting with like those 12 kids.
हाँ,
Like
yeah.
direct reference to Alice in the Wonderland, and overall जो उसकी vibe थी Holly की,
And he
full
was
Alice
going to
vibe
eat
और
those. He
so
was going
many
to eat
references.
those.
हाँ, she went into the other world, other dimension too by falling into the vortex. Same is the case with Holly. तो वो जो सारे references थे ना वो बहुत like all these references is
Great
you see in
references.
the Stranger Things. बहुत मजा आता है इनको देखने का. So
Okay,
yeah, I
so-
mean those are the things that I found like really interesting and intriguing in the entire series. Yeah.
I really like how after all that has happened to Wayne, he finally like wasn't scared anymore and he got his powers.
I
And-
mean वो जो growth थी, so soon she
Yeah.
grew up so fast.
Yeah.
Just in the span
And
of a
also,
short
I
time.
think Millie Bobby Brown and Finn Wolfhard really carried the finale. I also really liked Lucas in this season.
Yeah.
Lucas and Max, and even because Lucas never gave up on Max and he
Yeah.
still
Yeah,
had
that was
this-
really nice. Yeah,
That
what a
was
nice
great.
point. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
exactly.
didn't give up
Yeah.
on each other. That is
Yeah.
the, I think, true friendship दिखाई हुई है ना. So true friends, they never give up on each other. So yeah, that's so true, Zora. They did.
And then obviously, like, I love Henderson and Harrington. Like,
Oh,
their
that duo is
friendship.
iconic now. I think
Yeah.
वो बहुत मजा
I'm happy. I'm
Yeah,
happy. They
The
got
only thing that I will miss about this season is Steve and Dustin.
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
only
I
thing.
maybe before the podcast when we were waiting for you, I was telling Zora कि हालांकि I usually I enjoy everybody, like everybody gets to shine on the screen, लेकिन मुझे इस season में Steve और Dustin का बहुत मजा आया है.
Yeah.
Their little fight and then making up after that, वो बहुत cute था यार. It was like so heartwarming.
And it's so funny that, in fact, Zora told me that how they wanted to end the character of Steve in the season
Ah,
one.
yeah, they did.
season
Achha.
one.
So, he was
Yeah.
the antagonist. Steve Farrington was the antagonist. उन्होंने
Yeah.
Duffer Brothers ने उसको लिखा था.
हाँ, in the
But the
beginning
way,
first season.
yes, उन्होंने इसको,
But
then they had to introduce Billy. और बिली ने फिर आउटशाइन
हाँ.
किया स्टीव को, राइट?
Oh,
इनिशियली अगर देखा
interesting,
जाए,
interesting.
स्टीव को इन्होंने फर्स्ट सीजन में दे वर अबाउट टू एंड हिम, लेकिन जब उन्होंने उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया ना स्टीव को कैरेक्टर्स के साथ, एंड द वे ही रेजोनेटेड विद द ऑडियंस एंड द किड्स, they were like, okay, we
Yeah,
got
like-
It was a very beautiful
Like
connection.
just उसने
So I
कहा
saw the
कि
first
मैं
season. I saw the first season, I think 7-8 months ago. और अगर आप देखोगे, you will literally hate Steve. In the first
Yeah.
3-4 season, you
और
will
वो
say,
उसने play out भी ऐसे ही किया हुआ था.
yes. So kudos to him, यार. मैं जिस तरीके से उसने play किया हुआ है, he was actually a brat, you know. But I
don't
think
like-
Nancy changed Steve basically. जो उसका होता है ना, so it was Nancy who changed him. और वो agree
Hmm.
करता है उसके साथ जो end में होता है.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next segment. Yeah, I think if
I think
everybody
we're gonna talk about what didn't resonate with us as such.
Okay.
I think this has been all over the internet, but that's something I felt too when I was watching it. Is that Demogorgons and Demodogs were weirdly completely
Yeah,
absent
they
from
were
the
on a
finale
vacation.
Exactly.
in the other dimension. I mean, I remember some character saying that the other dimension is the den of those Demogorgons and
Yes.
Demodogs. Like it's the
Yes.
place, it's the world of Demogods and Demogorgons.
Yes.
So then where are they? Like I know कि like Vecna never would have imagined that they will be coming to the other world and fighting him in his fortress. Like he never would have
Hmm.
imagined that. But they're hive mind, aren't they? So like
Yes.
he can like tell them
Yes.
right away that he needs
Yes.
them.
It's the hive
And plus
mind.
they're in
That's
a
it.
world where they're supposed to exist, where
Yeah.
they
Yes.
come from, like they reside there. So that's something I really need like answers for. Where are
Hmm.
Demogorgons and
Here
Demodogs?
are
in
Demodogs
the
and
finale?
Demogorgons.
I mean, I do see an ending where military was going to join them, and then वो फिर उनकी बड़ी battle होती, military fighting
Yes.
Demogorgons, and main cast handling like the Vecna
Mindsphere
and the
and Vecna.
Mindsphere. You do see that versions of the endings, but I mean, it's sad they couldn't go with that. I'm sure
Yeah.
they had budget restraints or other things. But I mean, again, I'm happy with the finale, but they were like weirdly absent. I mean, if an explanation
I
or if they have for it, then that'd be really nice. I think other than that, I think how I mean, I would say cinematography मुझे थोड़ी सी boring लग रही थी because it was completely monochromatic, which I get because it was another dimension, other world, and it was a world of Mindsphere where like
Yeah.
oddities like Mindsphere exist. So obviously it's like a very dried up, lifeless dimension जहाँ पे obviously something like an oddity like Mindsphere exists. I get that, but I think कोई ऐसा graphic element ये लोग add कर सकते थे to that world that would be an
Yeah.
excuse to add more colors to it because वो
Yeah.
completely monochromatic लग रहा था. I mean, but that's just as like a concept
Right.
artist looking at it, that's just
Maybe you have, but I
that's
loved
my
it. I
opinion.
loved the
Yeah,
whole.
Otherwise, I mean,
I agree with
it was,
Afia.
it's such a
I
big
want-
budget show and everything. The production value was amazing overall, and I really
Yeah,
loved it.
yeah. I think I agree with Afia. Yeah. ये दो तीन चीजें हैं. So yeah, Fatma, I think you go next and I'll take the ending.
Yeah, and one thing that that left me wanting more was कि जब मैच उसकी thoughts में जो वो prisoner होती है and then she goes back and she meets everybody, the young Joyce, the young Hopper, the young Harrington, तो उसको उन्होंने properly link नहीं किया. Why were they there? ठीक है, did they recognize him that okay it was Henry? But मुझे timeline में लग रहा था कि Henry is way younger than them. I mean, I don't know, 01 was not that much older than 11 when they were showing the lab scene. But
I
somehow
mean, मैंने इतने गौर से timeline को study नहीं किया, to be honest.
but I've been
Yeah.
watching it in 2016, so I know the timeline and everything. So
Yeah.
वो इतना बड़ा नहीं लग रहा था कि he was. I didn't know that he was the same age as Joyce and
Maybe
Hopper.
because Henry की बात कर रही हो. No,
Yeah.
because he's an oddity, he has stopped aging and
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
aging
yeah.
slow, very slowly.
but-
He's aging
But
slowly now.
somehow maybe क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि Vecna's face will change and Vecna's face will be revealed as Henry, right? As Mr. Butchett, and then Joyce will be shocked कि okay, मतलब कुछ दिखाना चाहिए था.
अच्छा.
Since वो बार-बार उन्होंने thoughts दिखाई हैं when they were
हाँ.
traveling in
Joyce
a
और Hopper का basically they were एक same time पे थे स्कूल में सारे.
Exactly. So वो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. Plus when Will said कि you were just a kid, you were just a kid. मुझे लगा he's going to redeem. Henry's going to
just a
redeem.
vessel.
But in the end, you choose what you want to be. I mean,
Yes.
it's your choice. Always, it's your choice. Bad things, good things, your choice. I said no, we are one. We are connected. तो वो भी चीज उन्होंने एक
Exactly,
बड़ी
closure
दे
पे
दी.
दे दिया.
Like, really
Yeah.
Like if he was irredeemable.
he wanted to do it. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
Evan. That's
Yeah, nice points. I mean, I totally agree with मुझे मैं भी इस पे बात करना चाहता था. तो आई थिंक मैं नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि ये दोनों पॉइंट्स बड़े वैलिड हैं तीनों। आफिया ने भी जो बताया, पहली बात तो ये है कि मैंने एक मीम देखी जिसमें लिखा हुआ था इन दी एंड इट डजंट इवन मैटर, बिकॉज इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर द सॉन्ग ऑफ लिंकिन पार्क, इन दी एंड इट डजंट, इन दी एंड का जो पूरा सिनेमेटोग्राफी है ना वो ऐसी लग रहा था वो इन दी एंड इट डजंट इवन मैटर, राइट? सो वो
उन्होंने
बहुत
उसी
मजे की,
डायमेंशन में शूट किया हुआ है।
हाँ वही डिमेंशन लग रही थी सारा, इतनी सिमिलैरिटीज है, इट फेल्ट लाइक this is the
boggling.
exactly, it's mind boggling. So yeah, in the end it doesn't even matter. So anyway, so मेरा पॉइंट है जो मैं जिस पे ज्यादा बात करना चाहूंगा वो ये है कि जो फाइट थी ना वेक्ना की, इट शुड हैव बीन अ, बिकॉज वेक्ना को दिखाया हुआ ही इज अ साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रेट। तो अगर देखा जाए ओवरऑल, सो ही प्लेज विद योर माइंड्स, आपके मेमोरीज ट्विस्ट करता है, आपकी मेमोरीज के अंदर जाता है। सो ही वाज मोर लाइक अ साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रेट रादर देन अ फिजिकल थ्रेट, राइट? सो जो फाइट थी इट वाज वेरी फिजिकल। आई वांटेड टू बी अ साइकोलॉजिकल वॉर, राइट, बिटवीन एल एंड वेक्ना। ठीक है,
Good
मेक
point.
सेंस के आप फिजिकल बीइंग्स आ गई हैं अबिस में एंड देयर फाइटिंग। आई थिंक उनको, क्योंकि वेक्ना साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रेट था, उसको उसी तरीके से डिफीट करना चाहिए था। ठीक है, उसमें लेयर्स थी, वो पहले उसके लेयर में माइंड में गए, उससे उनकी मेमोरी में गए, मेमोरी में से उसने उनको एक
हाँ,
वीक पॉइंट
but
निकाला,
कर दिया
बट
थोड़ा।
वहां पे वो हार गए थे। वेक्ना डिफीटेड देम इन हिज माइंड, राइट? क्योंकि वो उसने जो हॉपर को जाके सारा दिखा दिया कि यू नो देयर शी डजंट वांट टू कम बैक, हॉपर ने वो गोलियों वाला सीन था।
Oh,
सो
that
इन
was
द
very
माइंड वेक्ना बेसिकली डिफीटेड देम, राइट? बट फिजिकली फिर जब वो आता है, मे बी वेक्ना को पता था फिजिकली शायद वो इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है, वो फाइट नहीं कर पाएगा, बिकॉज ही विल बी कंट्रोलिंग माइंड फ्लेयर एंड एवरीथिंग, ऑल द थिंग दैट हैज बीन गोइंग। सो या, साइकोलॉजिकल थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए था। दिस इज व्हाट वाज मिसिंग, एंड आई थिंक there were no consequences, right? Everybody survived, everyone.
I
No
loved it.
consequences in the last.
I
I know,
loved
I
it. For the
do,
kid
I
show.
do. I mean, मैं honestly I grew up with these characters. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि कोई जाए,
Exactly.
especially Steve तो ना जाए।
That's what
But
I
लेकिन-
was saying कि यार it would have been really sad for the
I think-
fans already, the
yeah,
show
I
ending.
know, but it's okay. It's a TV show, right?
I know.
At the end of the day,
No, but
they should have showed
never
some sort of
okay.
consequences. It was like they went to a dimension, abyss, traveled it through the wormhole, then they went there, defeated the big monster, Mind Flayer, defeated Vecna, and came back safe and sound, right? I mean, doesn't happen in the real world. There are always consequences to your actions, especially when you're taking such strong actions. There are always consequences. So
Yeah,
reality
out of
is
the
a
world.
right?
they killed one character, Kali, 11 sister. She was there just for take a blow for them.
Exactly.
वही ना,
So
जो
now-
भी character they killed off, it was a new character that was introduced,
हाँ.
a side character that was introduced
हाँ.
into the show.
Billy को
Like
introduce किया,
main
मार
cast में
किया।
से they were overprotected, like they were protected by plot
कोई
armor.
plot armor,
they-
plot armor पे नहीं
हाँ.
रखा ना, plot
I
armor
think,
उतार
yeah,
दे
they
फिर
didn't want to face the backlash or something. या
हाँ.
वैसे it was not in
हाँ.
their hearts to like kill off
और
these
हाँ,
amazing
एंडिंग में भी देखो,
I
एल
think-
अगर देखा जाए, एल भी शी इज नॉट डेड, राइट? बिकॉज द थ्योरी, माइक की जो थ्योरी है, ये बहुत कॉन्क्रीट थ्योरी है।
Yeah, it's
It
valid.
is a very
I believe.
valid
I
theory.
believe in
कि
it.
How was she able to use her powers when
It's
there were those
supersonic all
machines
around.
working, right?
And then
Supersonic.
also
Yeah,
for
it's a
no
really nice
reason-
theory, and I loved the ending, by the way. खैर, anyway, so these were my points, guys. I mean, ये दो तीन चीजें
But
थी जो
you
मुझे
know
लगी।
what? There was another meme which I found very funny, that you know when Mike was typing something, it was like, why that kid is having mid-age life crisis at the age of 80s.
हाँ,
He was like typing and wearing glasses and when you
Yeah,
do not
yeah,
care about मुझे लग रहा था कि ना काली का कुछ और रोल होना चाहिए था, उसकी सिस्टर का, मुझे ये लगा। कि उसका तो
I think it was fine. मेरे मुताबिक उसका रोल बिल्कुल ठीक था।
Really?
उसको इतना ज्यादा, हाँ, it was fine. It was मेरे नजदीक
Okay.
काली के साथ जो उसने करना था वो कर दिया। उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया दोबारा, वो इस वजह से इंट्रोड्यूस किया क्योंकि वो एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टर थी। शी वाज द आउट ऑफ दोस 11 किड्स। उसको वो इसलिए लेकर आए क्योंकि वो एक बहुत बड़ा प्लॉट होल बन जाना था। आई थिंक दे वांटेड टू फिल दैट प्लॉट होल, इसलिए वो 8 को लेकर आए।
वो भी क्लोजर देना चाहते थे ना
वो देना था कि यार वो किधर गई भाई, एक सीजन में आपने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, देयर इज अनदर किड विद पावर्स,
वो
where
भी
is
ऐसी
that kid?
चल रही है,
so
वो ऐसी
I
चल
think
रही है।
उसको किसी तरीके से उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर घुसाया। they did a good job with
Plus the whole connection कि how important Elle was to the military and why they are so much after her is because no other blood
Yes.
was working. They really needed her. So उसपे भी उसके
Exactly.
through they even put more emphasis on why they are so hell bent on getting Elle. क्योंकि
Exactly.
during the series शुरू में you don't really know कि क्या intentions क्या है military की, so intentions भी काफी clear हो गई थी. What exactly do they want from Elle?
हाँ,
So,
exactly.
exactly like I said.
यहाँ पे भी
like, so
closure दिया
closer to
इन्होंने,
everything.
यहाँ पे
सारे
भी closure
holes जो
इन्होंने।
थे सारे जो loose ends थे were
हाँ,
very
they are trying to
tied up.
My number one nemesis in this whole series was that Lieutenant Ackers, whatever his name was.
Oh yeah, he was oh god, he was stupid.
Like that जो military में होता है डॉक्टर के का like
हाँ वो कितना mean था ना, yeah he was so mean.
That Dash as a complex of god. I'll handle
हाँ,
that.
कि-
वो डॉक्टर केस से ज्यादा annoying था वैसे.
I
हाँ,
know,
यार।
but उसके साथ end में जो उसके साथ होता था was nice.
like जैसे
Satisfying.
हाँ,
Yeah.
सही करती है एल उसके साथ। Yeah,
And
So
like
what
Mama
so
said,
guys moving.
yeah,
like-
sure, Zora, go ahead.
like Mama said, I think they should have like given more closure to like Joyce, Henry Field,
Oh yeah.
Harrington, and like
You know why they were sure that वही वाली कि इनकी ज्यादा दिखाना चाहिए था इनकी
हाँ,
क्या चीज?
कि इनका क्या था, कोई इशू था हेनरी का, जॉयस का, यंग हेनरी, यंग जॉयस, यंग
Okay,
Maybe
अच्छा
friends,
नहीं मैंने to be honest वो
with each other or
my
something.
theory is that they were friends.
हाँ,
I
maybe
think
yeah.
they were only-
I think Henry and Joyce, though, they were definitely friends. They were acting in a play.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
right.
younger than Joyce and Hopper, and like you know.
But I loved Karen Wheeler. Why? Yes, Zora, you are right. Why are we not talking about the wrath of mom when our kids are in danger?
Oh,
Scenes
Like,
were
Nancy and
moms
Joyce.
were like
iconic.
moms were baddies in the show. Karen, Joyce.
Iconic. Iconic.
I'm glad इसमें नैन्सी व्हीलर को इन्होंने स्पॉटलाइट दी है बिकॉज नैन्सी व्हीलर एक ऐसा करेक्टर है जो ये चाह रहे थे उसको किसी तरीके से और स्पॉटलाइट देना एंड परफेक्ट टाइम पे उसको स्पॉटलाइट दी है
और
क्योंकि बिली के साथ भी उसको दिखाया थोड़ा उस सीजन में भी थोड़ा दिखा रहे थे उसको
Yeah,
स्क्रीन
yeah.
टाइम दे रहे थे राइट
Karen,
Yeah, I was-
not Nancy. You were saying
So,
Karen.
सॉरी कैरन सॉरी इस सीजन में जॉयस पीछे खड़ी हुई एक्स लेके बस मैं वो पूरे सीजन में भी हंस रहा था कि व्हाट इज जॉयस डूइंग यार इसको
हाँ,
क्यों लेके
मुझे
आई
Joyce
है?
का बहुत mean scene
What did you
था।
do with the
ये लग रहा था हेड में एक्स से गला काटा है उसका राइट सो या दैट वाज
Yeah.
फनी बट
तो वही
makes
कैरेक्टर
it-
ग्रोथ इतनी मजे की थी कि they all learned so much from each other.
हाँ
Yeah,
in the
because
end, इनका
Joyce
जो
now
growth था, वो ज्यादा-
shifted the power towards Will.
Will,
Joyce
हाँ.
पहले बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटेक्टिव थी. Joyce ने कहा ठीक है, I'll take a back step. मैं
बैक
Will
सीट
को जो है, हाँ, मैं Will को
हाँ, yeah,
Joyce
that's true.
the
That's
power.
true.
She didn't believed in Will कि Will जो है, Will can do it. Will has been there. फिर Will के अंदर जो powers आती हैं, जहाँ पे उन्होंने वो Volume 1 end किया था, beautiful scene. Beautiful scene. I mean the
हाँ.
way he did like that, और वो सारा, और उसके अंदर जो powers आती हैं, he was a sorcerer, Will the Wise.
Yeah.
जिस तरह उन्होंने start किया, किस तरह उसको लेके गए उस पे, I think
Table read
beautifully
भी बहुत
done.
मजे की थी.
Yeah, the table reads, we also saw the videos of table reads. It was so...
Yes, it was really good. It was really good, yeah. It was really good.
नहीं
And
and
then
people
was like
think
you
कि
were
यार
like-
इन्होंने वेक्ना को इतनी जल्दी क्यों हरा दिया but it's just like a video game ना आपको शुरू में you start a game and you find it difficult but then with time आप इतनी knowledge gain कर लेते हो about the world of the game and the combos and everything कि previously जो villains आपको difficult लगते हैं वो भी आपको आसान लगने लग जाते हैं so it was kind of like that with Vecna
That's a nice- that's a nice perspective to it.
this
Right,
time
like
around
it-
they were even more prepared इसलिए it felt really swift but honestly it wasn't because it was like it took them like 3-4 years of like
Of course,
struggle
guys, it's
to
a
put
show. It
this
was supposed to
whole,
happen. I mean,
upside down to an end.
of course, but antagonist will lose, right? I mean, come
हाँ,
on. It's
obviously.
at the end of the day, it's a
Yeah.
movie. It's a
Ideally,
show.
the
I mean,
shows only.
I
you
mean,
know.
No, but actually we
But-
haven't. Let's move on to the next segment.
yeah,
what we would have loved to see. थोड़ी सी माइक के लिए अगर थोड़ी और होपफुल एंडिंग हो जाती although I do see Mike and Elle I do see a future where they reconvene in the end maybe in a
Yeah,
movie or something but yeah I think that's something and again what I mentioned Demogorgons and Demo Dogs
yeah.
वो अगर हो जाता है फिनाले में तो ज़्यादा मज़ा आता more Erica in the finale लेकिन
Yeah.
वही मैंने कहा जितने उसके मोमेंट्स होते हैं वो आइकॉनिक ही होते हैं so
Yeah.
it really doesn't matter plus again I think agar
Guys.
it would have been
Yeah, yeah.
nice if someone from the main cast had gotten the D word but again you know fans were saying goodbye to the series they were already depressed enough get them even more depressed
Yeah.
So I wanted to see like more Derek. And like और उसकी I wanted to see his family waking up. Like उनने कभी वो सीन दिखाया ही नहीं. उसकी
हाँ
family
वाकई है ना
हाँ.
अच्छा, या द थिंग दैट कुछ कैरेक्टर्स हैं उन्होंने बिल्कुल ही खत्म कर दिए. मुझे वो आर्गल इतना पसंद था, जोनाथन का फ्रेंड. Where did he
हाँ.
go? And then of
Hmm.
course I wanted to see more Vicky. I want to see more
Hmm.
Vicky.
Yeah.
कि
हाँ,
अगर
exactly. कुछ तो बिल्कुल
Joyce
open ending की है. Just like predict whatever you want.
and
Assume
Joyce
whatever you
and
want.
Joyce and Hopper were, if they were in the Enzos, they could have shown Robin and Vicky sitting in the Enzos as
हाँ,
well, because
yeah.
Robin
या
has
मेरे ख्याल से ना इन्होंने जो शुरू के मेन जो शुरू से चलते हुए आ रहे हैं ना उन कैरेक्टर्स का क्लोजर दिया
उनका ज्यादा
है.
closure
हाँ,
है.
रियली नहीं है. आई थिंक
Okay.
विकी और रॉबिन का ओपन एंडेड ग्लैड ओपन एंडेड या सही है. या हर किसी का दे भी नहीं सकते. आई थिंक इट वाज रियली इम्पॉसिबल क्योंकि देखो उन्होंने 1 घंटा सिर्फ क्लोजर दिया है. सो 1
Exactly.
आवर की एपिसोड थी फाइट एंड देन द नेक्स्ट 1 आवर इट्स ऑल
okay.
अबाउट
You know what,
इमोशंस एंड
you know, when the fight was over, it was still 55 minutes. I was like, oh, okay, something bad is definitely going to happen. What they're gonna do in 55 minutes? What they're
मुझे
going
तो
to do?
मुझे तो पता था इन्होंने सिर्फ क्लोजर देना है to these
हाँ,
characters.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I was so sure.
I was honestly okay with it. ठीक है, मैंने तो सही था. और honestly मैं ये गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स से मैंने एक चीज लर्न की थी. खैर गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स की तो बहुत ही शिटी एंडिंग थी, बट आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो लोग लगा लेते हैं एक टीवी शो के साथ कि पता नहीं आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कुछ हो जाएगा, माइट
ये
एक्चुअली
yeah,
भी
yeah.
में आ जाएगा, 11 भी अर्थ भी आएगी, हम आपके एक्चुअली अपने सामने 3D में फाइट देखेंगे. इट्स ऑल अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो एक्सपेक्टेशन इतनी हाई कर लेनी चाहिए कि आप अपने आप को कहो यार ये क्या यार, दिस इज नॉट अ गुड एंडिंग, राइट? सो या सो आई थिंक मैं जो चीज एक देखना चाहूंगा, फातिमा तुमने अपना कंप्लीट कर लिया या डू यू वांट मी टू गो?
No, I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah, I
Let's
would
simplify.
have loved to see. मुझे honestly I think जो personally मेरा most favorite character है ना वो वाकई हेनरी क्रील ही है इस सीजन में अगर मैं बाकी मेन कैरेक्टर को छोड़ूं. So I wanted to see more of Vecna.
Yeah.
I wanted to see. ठीक है, उसको थोड़ा सा दिखाया है उन्होंने कि जब वो वेल और उसकी कन्वर्सेशन है कि you were actually a vessel, you know, you were just a kid when it took over you. और by the way I think he wanted to resist Henry Creel. मेरा अपनी personal belief है कि वो resist करना चाहता था, but he wasn't strong enough. He was the weak one, by the way. Henry was the weak one.
Such a
So
good
that is why
point,
उसने
Tycho.
वो बच्चों को weak कह रहा था because at the end he is the weak one, right? So yeah, I wanted to see more of that. You know, उसकी memories में I know there's a prequel coming and I know मेरी वो curiosity दूर हो जाएगी, but I really wanted to see more of Henry Creel and how Vecna and the whole
vast
transition and
character है
everything.
कि
It's also just a
इसलिए
vessel.
मैं ना और I mean I think जिस तरीके से उसको लिखा है मेरे ख्याल से there is more coming.
I would say कि it was more so about him like एक तो weak भी था but also that he had this tendency to be evil. Like yes, he
that.
shot him but then he ended up murdering the guy. So
Yeah.
उसके अंदर tendency थी, so it's about
But-
right power going to
But
the
Tapia,
right person.
he was
So
ignoring that.
tendency थी
Yes,
like he
but-
murdered. So
Me.
so yes, I mean
Yeah.
और
Good and
plus
bad.
उसने- he had spent so much time with that oddity कि अब अगर वो चाहते भी तो उसका mind नहीं change होना था. But I
Agree.
do think कोई उसके अंदर evil की tendency थी, like he murdered him on the spot. And then
Yes.
so right power going to the right person.
But I
वो
think good and bad
coincidentally.
qualities
It's
हर
not like
किसी में
that.
होती है ना. अब देखो बिल्कुल उसने मारा, but he was hesitant to go back to that memory because he didn't like it.
हाँ, फिर वो scared
राइट
नहीं
वो
ना
नहीं
होता.
जा रहा था, वो
Exactly.
नहीं
वो
जा रहा
scared
था
नहीं
उस
होता.
मेमोरी में, वो डरता था उस केव से. हमें पता नहीं क्या है वो. he didn't like it. He didn't like
It was
that thing.
honestly the most best thing about the show.
Yes.
That scene,
So
to be honest.
good.
I really liked
It was
it.
Before
so
that,
good.
he was not evil.
And then you know even when he was entering the cave, was like okay now I entered my. it
Yes,
was a
but
बहुत
but
मुश्किल
yes, one
fight
thing
हो
is
रहा
for
था.
sure. evil उसकी जो क्वालिटीज थी, टेंडेंसी थी, उसने टेक ओवर कर लिया उसके गुड को, वो तो फॉर श्योर. और एंड में वो कह रहा था भाई नहीं, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड. ही वाज क्राइंग, ही वाज लाइक नो, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू दिस, फलाना फलाना.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. अगर वो इतना इवल ना होता फिर वो इतना स्केर्ड और इतना डरा हुआ और इतना
हाँ, सो उसको दिखाया ही इज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैरेक्टर, राइट? ही इज अ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हेनरी क्रील. तो बड़ी ओपन एंडेड उसकी है कन्वर्सेशन. जैसे आई थिंक एक इंटरव्यू में विल ने भी कहा था इज अ वेरी मिसअंडरस्टूड कैरेक्टर,
Misunderstood villain, yeah.
राइट?
It was kind of a
मिसअंडरस्टूड
spoiler.
विलन.
And then
So there is
Millie
more
was
coming.
that's enough.
हेनरी क्रील से लेके उन्होंने कुछ और करना ही करना है, लाजमी करना है. आई थिंक प्रीक्वल में
I'll
ये
be waiting for that.
दिखाएंगे.
I'll bet
Yeah,
it
so that is
comes out.
something that I would love to see. And yeah, I mean, other than that, I don't think so. Yeah, I just got everything out of the show.
And the one thing, the best thing was that, you know, now we all can relate since we are in that adult phase of our life that monthly meetings never happen. We're like, oh, we're gonna meet every month.
Oh yeah, let's talk about that scene, yeah.
Oh, literally,
Let's
I
talk about
cried.
scene.
I
true,
I
वैसे.
started
I
missing
mean, that movie is never happening.
oh yeah, never.
That movie, they
Never.
were
But let's talk about that scene. Let's talk about
Sweet.
that scene. That was a really emotional scene.
It was
I
a
love.
beautiful. And
It
by
was
the
a
way,
beautifully written.
I also read somewhere that none of them were acting. Like they were crying in real because that was the last.
हाँ,
That was
एक्चुअल जो एंडिंग के सीन थे वाकई.
Also,
course, they were none of them
where
were
was
acting.
Susie? Where was Susie?
Yeah, we were waiting for Susie. We were
Yeah,
like,
where was
Susie की
Susie?
उसका यही है ना
I'm
बेटा.
pretty sure they broke up because Dustin was going through a phase after losing.
Yeah,
Dustin didn't have
long
time.
distance, nothing working out. Plus their kids, right? So yeah, I
plus
mean,
the kids, right? I mean,
yeah, उसको
Yeah.
उन्होंने mention करना चाह रहे
And Miss Stacy ने भी Dustin को invite कर ही लिया
Oh,
party
Stacy
में.
looked so beautiful. I
Yeah.
remember.
I mean, did they use the same actress for Stacy because मुझे याद नहीं है.
वही था,
Next
same
time,
character.
same
I
actor.
mean,
Same
क्योंकि पिछले 2-3 सीजन्स में तो मेरे ख्याल में नहीं आई है, अब डायरेक्टली इसी में ही आई है तो.
Same
Same
it was-
character.
Uh,
लेकिन I
nice.
loved it. They didn't go to her party.
Yeah,
They
I
stayed
love
and
the
played
scene where
D&D.
they
I
played-
loved
Yeah,
it.
that's not us. That's not us.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, what अब तो वो graduate हो गए हैं. What difference is that going to
Yeah.
make? to their
Individuality
life?
है ना भाई उनकी.
The show
Yeah, that
started
was
in the same place
Basement.
and then it ended
In the
this.
same basement. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, exactly. It was in the basement.
Okay,
I
guys,
love
let's
And
move on.
two kids taking over their roles.
Let's move on to the next last segment. Last segment.
Final thoughts. I mean, we are talking about the.
We
final
are
Yeah,
talking about
final
final
thoughts.
thoughts.
Yeah,
I loved the like end scene where like Mike was looking at Holly and his friends.
Yeah.
And then he was
You know,
remembering
it's sad
his
when you
childhood.
have to let go of your childhood, and you know, but then you also smile that you know you had good friends around you, you had good people around you when you were growing up. So you know, closing the door on the childhood and then entering the adulthood. तो मुझे
Exactly.
सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे बुरा ना
Beautiful.
माइक के लिए लगे. I felt horrible for Mike.
सबको happy ending मिल गई but
Mike
Mike.
बेचारा हॉटमल की तो क्या? Of
Mike
course,
and Elle.
Mike and Elle both,
Yeah.
yeah, बेचारी क्योंकि Elle went through so much. तो बिल के लिए जैसे चीजें नॉर्मल हो गई, आई वाज होपिंग कि नहीं हो एल को भी एक नॉर्मल लाइफ मिल जाए, एक
I knew Elle would
नॉर्मल.
die.
भाई एल न्यू दैट they were better off without me. वो इतनी सेल्फिश नहीं है.
I think वो Duffer Brothers ने शुरू से ही लिखा हुआ था कि Elle was never going to end up with them. She was always going to move away because she's always bringing danger to their lives and everything.
Yeah.
तो Duffer Brothers ने उसको ऐसे ही लिखा हुआ था. From
But
they
it's
had
just
that
so
sort of
funny
thing.
that
I
you
read
know
it
9
somewhere.
years we are concluding and summing up 9 years in that 20-30 minutes ka podcast. Is the beauty of the series when you watch something and you get hooked to it and you just continue waiting for one season after another, but no more season, guys. We cannot see the duo of Steve and again. Oh god, this is gonna be
Yeah.
the saddest thing. Yeah. Okay, Zora wanted to sing something. Yeah.
Okay, now let me just say my part and then Zora can sing, right? So,
Yeah.
I just wish there were more Steve and Dustin. Of course, I'm gonna miss them for sure. I think I grew up with the show. I honestly, I'm not a
Yeah,
kid,
you
but
did.
I feel like I was a kid when I started watching back in 2016. It was like 10 years ago. I was 22, 23. Yeah, basically I was a kid. So yeah, I love the whole vibe. I love the show. You can relate to the show on so many levels. Friendship, heartbreaks, consequences, life, loss. And it had everything. It सब कुछ था इस सीजन में. वो एक लाइफ में जो सब कुछ आपको एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिलता है, सब कुछ था. Yeah, so I'm gonna miss that. I'm gonna miss the 80s nostalgia. I don't think so इस किस्म का सीजन आगे कभी आएगा. तो वो जो nostalgic feeling थी, I will miss that. I will miss the characters. Yeah, I will miss Vecna. I will miss Demogorgon. So yeah, I think I'm gonna miss a lot of things about this show. And yeah, just looking forward to more things from Duffer Brothers. Yeah. Final thoughts मेरी तो यही है. I mean, I just I'm just gonna miss it. So nostalgic, so warm. It was bittersweet. It was like flipping through an old photo album, right? वैसी feeling आती है as if you're watching an old photo album, right? So yeah, it was. Yeah, I loved it. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, and even the I mean, we love all the characters so much. Even कि जिनको हमने mention भी नहीं किया, we didn't get to mention Lucas.
Exactly. Yeah, I
think
think
the
Mike was the
Max
heart. Dustin
Yeah.
was the mind.
Brain.
Lucas
That's
was
what
the muscle. Will was the soul. And then I think इनका ये था ना इस तरह का मैं देख रहा था.
That's true. That's true. So,
Yeah,
what an
yeah,
era
yeah,
it has
yeah.
been.
It was an
And I
era.
thoroughly enjoyed it. and we have thoroughly enjoyed all of our discussions over it over the years. And
Yeah.
I mean, it's a heartwarming, heartbreaking, bittersweet moment for
I
us.
think the
But
final
we
Yeah.
thought, I
thoroughly
think for
enjoyed
me,
every moment of it, every bit of it, and yeah.
I think
Yeah.
for
And thank you
final
for
thought, I
sharing
think
your thoughts with me,
my
guys.
favorite scenes
Yeah,
were
thank you. Yeah.
Max and Holly. I think I loved
Yeah,
those scenes. I
and
loved those
Yeah.
scenes.
episode 6 Escape from Camazotz
Oh,
really
one of
was
my
good.
favorite episodes. Yeah,
Yeah, I think let's wrap it up, guys. It's been
Yes,
it,
everybody gave them their all, and it truly resonated with the fans.
yeah.
And thank you for
Zora,
sharing
you
your
want to
thoughts
sing
with
the
us,
song?
with me,
Zora wants to
guys.
sing the song.
okay. Yeah,
Okay.
let's end it with our song.
Let's end the podcast with Zora's song, and
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah. Let's end
we'll
it with our song.
sign off.
Okay. One more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night. Your things are black and white. Enter troubadour. Remember 24. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another legend of me. I was in it. I wave goodbye to the end, the beginning.
Bye.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye
Love
bye.
you.